Alright, boys, we're back. So I lost around $400 today. Coming into the day, I was actually more bullish. Um, yeah, we just swept out these 5-minute lows. We're in a higher time frame bullish trend, filling like this 30-minute gap on NQ. We had this 5-minute bullish SMT, and then we reversed. However, we took out this 30-minute high. Um, and yeah, wait a minute. I swore. Okay. And then immediately following that, we inverse the 5-minute on ES, we inverse the 5-minute on NQ. Um, yeah. Then, what did we see? We saw a retracement. Yo, I cannot remember what I took this trade on. Okay, we saw a retracement. We had all these stacked up draws at the downside. I executed after we inversed this 1-minute gap right here. This 1-minute gap on NQ. Oh yeah, we made a 1-minute bearish SMT as well. Let me find that. Sorry, chat, I'm a little bit tired. But then we had a 1-minute bearish SMT off of this high. Right here, and immediately following that, we inverse this 1-minute gap. I entered, and price played within my trade for a long ass time before it finally stopped me out. Unfortunate loss. I'm not too upset with the execution. I'm really confused why price didn't want to take out all of this like trend line liquidity to the downside, especially after pricing in another relative equal low. It's alright. I think it's more the higher time frame trend. But then we did take these highs and eventually reverse and take out literally every draw to the downside. But anyway, I'm not upset with that trade today. There's always tomorrow. But I'm gonna back just a week. Yeah. Let's get to it, fools. What it do, flight crew? What it do? Okay, why? In time, it just glitches out randomly. There we go. Okay, now my screen's frozen. Hold. Alright, run FX replay. Let's turn on highs and lows. Highs and lows. Okay. Let's see what we're working with here. Today is Monday, February 5th, 2024. Monday, February 5th. 10 a.m. news. Swept out on the Asian lows. Probably felt like a 4-hour gap. We're inside this 4-hour gap, which we rejected off of multiple times. And I'm looking for longs. I feel like there's nothing else to really say. Hopefully market opens bullish. Okay. We are bullish. Let's throw on these. Yeah. Motion, 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 motion. Hopefully we don't take these highs immediately. Oh my days. Okay, one down. Down. Big. Oh my. Boys, this could not be. I could not ask for an easier long. Honestly. We did break hourly structure, but this is more consolidation range within this higher time frame, and we took out both of those relative equal lows. Both those session lows, so I'm going to maintain bullish bias. Just want to really see where price heads. I think we're in this 5-minute gap. All I'm waiting for is a change in order flow. If we can get like a deeper wick down, that would be even better. Okay. Really? We broke here. We do have 10 a.m. news, which I'm kind of worried about. I'm gonna keep it $1.50. When we inverse that 5 minute. I'm still bullish, but I want to wait for a little bit more confirmation. And the fact that we have 10 a.m. news scares me a little bit. We did, in fact, make a bullish SMT. Is this an entry? Just wide ass stops? Wide ass stops. I think so, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. 1.07 up there. Now full TP will rest. Bro, this is such a shitty RR. But I'm gonna take full TP at these highs. I could just get fucked. Okay. Like, that's why I should have stayed patient. Like, I really just should have stayed patient. Now we have a huge bullish SMT off that swing low. Man, that was retarded of me. Why didn't I just stay patient? Now it's getting too close to 10 a.m. news as well, bro, so I can't enter this. Thankfully, I didn't enter that. Is my bias just completely off? Damn, I was really wrong on that. Wow. And I don't even know why I'm wrong either. Guess we were an hourly bullish or bearish order flow. Yeah, I'm more mad about the execution over the bias. More mad about execution. The bias just got sloppy straight to price. That's alright. Tuesday, no real news. Strong highs and lows. London, previous day. And that swing high. Let's see what we're cooking with. I'm just gonna skip to market open. I'm more bullish on this again. Okay. Bro, why does this... Are those equal? No, we took them, but that's not really a full sweep. Yeah, I still want to trade higher because we didn't really sweep that full thing and we're printing bullish. Yes, we're in this 30-minute gap, probably an hourly gap. No. In the 30-minute, I'm just gonna look at what the 4 minutes telling me from here. Okay, let's see how we react off this 1 minute gap now. Okay, if we close above this high, we inverse the 1 minute gap. Hopefully this is just a... Okay. Let's go. See, that high is just so far away. Could just still be filling gap as potential. Take line and lows, and now start reversing. But reverse really extremely hard because, man, there's no way we're bearish, bro. Like, where does it say that we're bearish? We're in consolidation. Higher time frame trends bullish. Didn't take any significant draws. We weren't in any significant gaps. We made relative equal highs with London highs. I'm just gonna wait a long ass time, bro, because I know price wants all those highs. I don't care if it's a later trade. Like, see, this is the type shit that, like, I'll mark out. I'm not actually gonna take. We're gonna go higher from here, though, I know for sure. Or we'll just chop around the entire day. We did go higher, though, eventually. Skip to market open. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Don't really need these shits. We took out all of the draws. I believe we're at all-time highs now. We took out all the draws on both indexes. We're at all-time highs. Not necessarily gonna be looking for a trade. Our time frame's bullish. Probably in an hourly gap or something now. 30-minute gap there. 30-minute gap there. All this high could turn into high resistance, but probably won't. I really just want to trade higher now. Let's see what price shows. Okay, good retrace. We're in this 5-minute gap, but my bias is gonna be more bullish. Took that 5-minute swing low on both. If we don't get a reversal here, we're probably not bullish. If we break structure, let's see. Okay. There's more momentum on ES. I think I might want to take this on ES. I don't really know what index to take it on. Guess I'll just hammer NQ stops right here, take profit here. I could tighten stops a little bit. I just want to leave the 1-minute gap open. Bang! Oh my gosh. We ended up inversing that 1-minute gap, but I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Okay. I don't know why it's doing that. Build in a 30-minute gap. which started reversing off of and price and retracement that swept out price then proceeded to break one structure. Love okay. Let's see. Motion. 8:30 news. Again, higher time frame's really bullish. 4-hour gap. Let's see where market wants to open. More bullish on the day. It's because of the trend. Took Asia highs on both. Let me throw on some highs real quick. Okay. A lot more bullish on ES. Hopefully we come down. Beautiful. Do have 15-minute gap there and 30-minute gap that we tapped into. We're making a potential SMT off all these swept lows. Let's see if price wants to give us a reversal here. If we close above that high. Okay, still, if we close above that high, that's a break, and I want to trade higher. Okay, we're kind of accumulating. It sucks that Q is actually more bullish in this situation. Wow. Why? That sucks for me, bro. Because what, bro? We finally broke after years of chopping. And then Q just printed straight up, man. Because, like, what? I'm gonna run this stop, like, right under this 1-minute low where we finally broke after chopping. Like, I can't do that. I gotta wait for more now. Or else I'll have to run stops all the way down here. Like, those are some wide ass stops. Low key, I kind of want to take that. But I feel like NQ is going to end up taking all these highs before. Yes. This is like something I don't know about taking. Because this is my original index I wanted to trade on. And now NQ is looking so much more bullish. If we broke structure here on NQ, this could have been the trade. I'm gonna wait for a retrace off of this on NQ and then potentially enter. Oh, okay. That was just stupid on my part. I'm taking something. Market's actually just really choppy though. We're in this 5-minute gap. I wonder if we want to continue up. I want to see a break and then 1-minute gap continuation if we do. So like this looks decent, but we just took a huge significant high. I don't want to trade. Price in relative equal highs, took market open lows. Took this like swing low. If we get a break out of this, I'll enter. Inversed. This looks pretty good. Relative equal highs at that 30-minute high, taps in that 30-minute, 5-minute, staying pretty much as a rejection out of this gap, and then we made a bullish SMT off of this 5-minute low. Pricing relative equal highs, higher time frames are extremely bullish. I don't really think price has another reason to continue lower because we just made a bullish SMT. Just gonna try and take this, carry the momentum. I low-key can put stops at the body. Like, see, that was like a lower confidence kind of thing. Just whenever the higher time frame was extremely bullish, price already took relative equal highs. However, because price left relative equal highs within untapped previous day high within a bullish trend within 30-minute gaps. Wanted to see price take that price moving down 5-minute SMT, which took liquidity. It made me slightly more confident that we wanted to continue higher after taking draw on yes. Price then reversed. Shake that thing, driving me crazy. Get up. Keep really tired, boys. Some sort of high impact news. No. Okay, we're still all-time highs. How is this not news? I don't know. Came out exactly at 8:30. Okay. Higher time frame wise. Already took that hourly low. I kind of want to draw some more to the downside, but within this gap. Let's just see how price reacts. So we took like a good amount of the draws to the downside, filling this hourly gap. Hourly gap. I mean, I don't really know why price would want to continue lower. Let's see if we get a reversal off of here. mean, this is a pretty good retracement. I mean, we tapped into this 1 minute gap. Good pullback that broke 1 minute structure, and then we broke right back to the upside. We're within this 15-minute gap. This is actually really not a good setup to take. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this, boys, even though I think it will bang. Oh, I really should have taken that. Although, there's still more opportunity. Throw it out the window. This is just a random 5-minute high. That's the main reason I wasn't confident, but now we inverse this 50. Okay. We're in the 5-minute gap. Okay. Well, I missed one opportunity. Can't miss another, right? To a real draw as well. Tapped in the 5-minute, immediately break structure. Yeah, do we break to the den? Yeah. I don't understand how this couldn't bang. Banger. Maybach music. Maybach music. Maybach music. Downside. Immediately. Price broke back up to the upside. Retrade. A plus 7. Alright, motion. Let me send this to the boy. It was the week. Lost on Monday, no trade Tuesday, Wednesday 1.09, Tuesday 1.16, Friday 1.3. That's the week. Alright. I'll catch you boys in the next one.